Hey guys, and welcome back to Pets Go. In this video we are talking about new update and how to grab a lot of these arcade keys. So you can open this big chest and maybe grab some of the new Titanic pets. So we got our first Titanic pet right after I finished editing these videos. So shortly I want to give away one of these huge happy computers that I got. We also got shiny happy computer, first shiny pet in Petsco for us. So I'm giving away this huge happy computer to first person who writes their username in the comment with this keyword that you see on the screen. So the first of you guys who write that will get this free huge pet. We're hosting this giveaway because our first Titanic pet, Dushko, we're gonna call him Dushko. So good luck guys, and back to the video. So let's start right away. You should make sure you upgraded all of these arcade keys, lower and upper drops upgrades, but also arcade chest lock before you start opening chests. You can speed this process up by unlocking arcade auto clicks, which will give you a lot of coins much more faster, and you can use this rebirth machine to gain more coins per click with every rebirth. Have in mind that when you do the rebirth, you will lose all of your money, so that's a good thing to know. And now you are ready to start clicking, and while you're playing, while also hatching pets in this spot, you will be able to get keys. You can see we have now a lot of lower halves, those are much more frequent, but you will also get upper half by playing like this. And when you get a lot of keys, you can start opening the chests, where you can find a lot of good new rewards. Also, if you get this arcade key potion, you will get 750% more key drops, which will last for 3 minutes, and you can use that to get a lot more keys. And when you get some of the lower and the upper half keys, you can just click on any of those and it will ask you how many arcade keys would you like to combine, and we'll say all, which will make 3 keys since we had only 3 upper halves. Let's go ahead and try our luck with these 3 keys that we have. You can see we have the Titanic and huge pet. Also we have some good potions over here for the event. I would like to get more of those arcade key potions. Honestly, that would be the best, but I wouldn't mind the diamond fishing rod or this pickaxe at all, honestly. Okay, let's see. We can open one by one or unlock 3. Let's unlock 3 right away. Oh, some god potion we got. We got 1 god potion. We also got 1 arcade key potion. Nice, there you go. This is how you get it. It's a little bit expensive, 1 million for 1 potion, which lasts 3 minutes, yeah. But as you can see, you can buy them from the training plaza. You can also buy the upper or lower half keys. But you should know upper half is a little bit more expensive. And one more way to get some of those keys is actually by completing these arcade quests, which reset every hour. And you can see you are able to get even a huge pet out of this for free, but you also get some arcade keys on the way there. Lower half and 1 upper half key. Okay, but this is very good. The next thing that we are getting after the god potions, we're getting 5 more arcade key potions, which is very good. So if you don't want to use some of this stuff, you can sell them and make very good money in this update. And there you go guys, those are all the ways that you can get those keys. And you saw there is also a way to get a free huge pet, so it's very good to play this update actually. I recommend you guys go ahead and try this update because you can have a pretty good rewards with this one. Okay, let's see. How much are they selling? 1 key is 1.2 million. That's a lot. Is there somebody selling the upper half key? Let's see. Let's see if we can even find some of the keys on the market. 1 billion. 1 billion. What? Is that the only upper half key that you got, bro? Kit Kat is 3 million? Wait, what? I have Arcade Dragon. It's 7 million. Okay, I'm gonna just sell that. What? 7 million for one pet? That's not even huge. Yeah, I must sell that. I'm also selling all of this since I cannot bother with those. Yeah, 2.5 million. I think it's fair price. I must unlock my pet. Yeah, Dragon, we're gonna sell you. Like, I know it's sad. We rarely sell our rare pets. Very rarely, but we must do this. 3,000. Yeah, I must sell you. So sorry, bro. 6 million. You're very nice, but that's a lot of money for one pet. Let's be honest. So there you go, guys. It's not so easy to find the upper half key on the market, but you can buy the whole keys for around 1 million. Some of the guys are overpricing the stuff, but that's okay. They will go down in the price probably in a couple of hours or tomorrow. This will definitely not be sold for 1 billion, bro. But there you go, 1.5 million or 1 million, you can find it around that price for now. That's all that you need to know about these arcade keys, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Leave a like if this video helped you. And we will see you in the next video.